financial freedom. Craft your Forex fortune with this step-by-step trading strategy. If you want to master the art of Forex trading and develop a strategy that suits your style, you're in the right place. In the next 8 minutes, I'll guide you through the essential steps to create a personalized trading strategy that works for you. Stick around until the end, and you'll gain valuable insights that can make a real difference in your trading journey. Before we dive in, let me tell you what you can expect from this video. We'll explore the essentials of Forex trading, a Forex trading strategy, and much more about Forex trading, helping you identify the one that aligns with your goals and personality. I'll also emphasize the critical role of backtesting and refining your strategies over time. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to enhance your trading game. If you're serious about becoming a successful Forex trader, this video is your gateway to understanding the nuances of crafting a winning strategy. Stay tuned, and you'll discover the key principles that can set you apart from the crowd, unveiling the secrets behind crafting winning strategies. A Forex trading strategy serves as the compass in the vast world of currency exchange, guiding traders on when to make crucial buy or sell decisions. Rooted in a blend of technical analysis and the impact of fundamental, news-driven events, these strategies are the blueprint for success in the dynamic Forex market. Comprised of finely tuned trading signals, a trader's strategy becomes the key to unlocking potential profits and navigating the complexities of currency pairs. Mastering the essentials. At the core of successful Forex trading lies the choice between manual and automated strategies, each offering distinct approaches to signal generation. Manual systems, characterized by traders scrutinizing screens for signals and interpreting market dynamics, demand a hands-on approach. On the other hand, automated systems involve traders crafting algorithms that autonomously identify trading signals and execute transactions. This automated approach minimizes the influence of human emotions, potentially enhancing overall performance. Caution becomes a watchword in the realm of off-the-shelf Forex trading strategies. The difficulty in verifying their track record, coupled with the clandestine nature of many successful systems, urges traders to tread carefully. Crafting precision in chaos. Embarking on the journey of Forex trading often starts with a simple strategy. Traders keenly observe how a particular currency pair responds to specific support or resistance levels, a foundational insight. Gradually, elements are added to refine and enhance the accuracy of these trading signals, such as requiring a specific percentage or number of pips for a price rebound. A robust Forex trading strategy is a mosaic of essential components. Market selection. Traders must meticulously choose the currency pairs they engage with, becoming adept at reading their unique nuances. Position sizing. Determining the size of each position is crucial for managing risk in every trade, a balancing act requiring careful consideration. Entry points. Establishing rules for entering long or short positions in a given currency pair forms the cornerstone of a trader's strategy. Exit points. A well-defined strategy includes rules dictating when to exit both profitable and losing positions, preventing emotional decision-making and selling currency pairs. Trading tactics. Set rules for executing trades, including the utilization of appropriate technologies, to guide traders in the complex landscape of buying. For those exploring leverage options, brokers offering diverse leverage through margin accounts can be advantageous. Tailoring leverage to match risk tolerance and capital availability is key. Some may prefer lower leverage for reduced risk, while others might leverage higher for potentially higher returns. Navigating the shifting tides. In the dynamic realm of Forex trading, adherence to a strategy's rules is paramount to success. However, acknowledging that a one-size-fits-all approach may not endure, traders must be attuned to signals indicating the need for a strategic evolution. While a strategy may excel under certain conditions, its effectiveness can wane over time. Recognizing the opportune moment to reconsider a game plan involves evaluating critical factors. Firstly, aligning risk management with one's trading style is crucial. If the risk versus reward ratio ceases to be favorable, it may be time for a strategic shift. Market conditions, too, are ever evolving, rendering some strategies obsolete. Adaptability is key. Tweaks or modifications may be necessary to stay in sync with shifting trends. Moreover, comprehension of the chosen strategy is paramount. If understanding falters, the strategy's effectiveness diminishes, jeopardizing potential gains. However, change should be approached judiciously, as excessive modification can prove costly. Striking the right balance between adaptability and stability is the key to navigating the unpredictable waters of Forex trading with finesse. Making sense of Forex. A quick guide to a basic trading trick. Alright, let's break down a simple Forex strategy that many smart traders use. Picture this. You have these Forex wizards who spend time crafting and perfecting their game plans. Some of them dive deep into specific studies or fancy calculations, while others take a wider view to make their trading decisions. Now, there's this straightforward strategy that's like a secret weapon for some traders. It's all about keeping an eye on the interest rates between two countries. So imagine you're a trader watching the US and Australia, and you smell a hint that the US interest rates might shoot up compared to Australia. Now, if the exchange rate for their currencies is, say, 0.67, meaning you need 0.67 USD to get 1.0 AUD, you're onto something. You predict that if the US interest rates climb, folks will want more USD, and the AUD-USD rate will drop, because now you need fewer, stronger USD to grab an AUD. Fast forward, if your hunch is right and the interest rates rise, the exchange rate can fall to, let's say, 0.50. Now, you only need 0.50 USD to score 1.0 AUD. Navigating the Forex arena. Where to dive into currency trading online? Alright, so you're all set to dive into the thrilling world of Forex trading, but where should you set up shop? Well, my friend, there's a whole bunch of online Forex brokers out there, just like in any other market. Here's the lowdown. You want to go for platforms that won't pinch your pockets with high fees and offer those tight spreads that make your trades a bit sweeter. Safety first, though. Make sure your broker is playing by the rules. Look for the ones backed up by a regulatory body. It's like having a watchdog to make sure things stay fair. Reputation matters too, so go for a broker that's got the Forex community giving them a nod of approval. Now, if you're planning to take your trading skills up a notch, keep an eye out for platforms that come with cool extras. Charting tools are like your sidekick, helping you visualize those market moves, and if you're into advanced stuff like algorithmic trading, finding a platform that supports it is like hitting the jackpot. Alright, let's get real. There's no free cash rain in Forex trading, but there's a straightforward strategy that's like the bread and butter of this game. Imagine you're playing the speculation game, betting that one currency is going to do the cha-cha either up or down compared to another. Easy, right? But hold up, it's not all sunshine. Get that bet wrong, and poof, there goes your money. Now, here's a cool trick for you. Consider hitching a ride on programs like MetaTrader. These guys make it a cakewalk to follow the rules of the game, especially if you're into automating stuff. It's like having a trading buddy who never forgets the plan. What's even cooler, you can time travel your strategies with these applications. Yeah, you heard me right. Backtest them to see how they would have rocked in the past. It's like practicing your moves before hitting the dance floor. So, while there's no magic pot of gold, there's definitely a method to the Forex madness. Smart bets and a bit of tech magic. Before we wrap up, make sure to check out our previous video on mastering risk management in Forex trading. It's a crucial skill that complements the strategies we've discussed today. Click on the link in the description or on the screen to watch it next. Trust me, it's worth your time. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable Forex trading insights. Your journey to financial success starts here. As we conclude this video, remember that developing a Forex trading strategy is both an art and a science. Take the time to experiment, backtest, and refine. Your commitment to this process will pay off in the long run. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow traders. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore more advanced techniques to elevate your Forex trading skills.